Rebuilding a flood damaged car is not an easier job, but rebuilding it when you have experience, it just makes the jobs easier. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is me Mubin and you're watching Car and Rebuilders. In this video, we are going to rebuild this 2022 Tata Nexon, which was been flooded. Right now we have completely stripped out the car to know at what level the water has reached, and we got to know that it has reached to the A level, which is the topmost level, and everything has got damaged. So in the engine we have taken out the engine oil and the gear oil, and we found out there is a lot of water in it. So now we are going to clean the engine oil and remove the engine oil and gear oil, and we are going to replace it and clean the almost every single thing. And in the interior we have completely stripped out the car. So right now we are cleaning the body. Right now the washing process is completed. Now we are going to start on the engine work. We have drained the engine oil, but there's still water inside the intake manifold block. There's still water. Right now we are opening the self motor. Right now Rashid is working on the self motor. He's repairing the self motor, and I'm going to work on the AC unit. There's a lot of mud inside the AC unit, so I have to open piece by piece. I have to separate each and every panel, and I have to remove the AC unit coil and heater coil also, cooling coil and heater coil, and I will wash it, and again I will fit it back. So while he is doing that work, I will do this work.